Hey guys, it's me, Victor, and this is my third day in Baltimore. And I just got back in the pool. So wet. Maybe not too much. Okay, so I'm just hanging out with my cousin. And so did I ever upload that last year? I know you didn't see it that well. There's a video back in there. So how are you guys doing? Got this Baltimore. Listen, if you didn't know, my uncle played for the Orioles. I'm just going to show you around where I sleep. So this is where I sleep. Here is the bed. And this is a picture of my uncle and her husband, Carol. Now you know what her husband looks like. That's great. Okay. So oh yes. Never mind. Talk about and this is gonna be so I'm just gonna go and just show you around the place. I told you like a million times, but who cares? Okay, bye. Don't forget to subscribe.